Morning, Stanwood Middle School. Today is Thursday, October 15th, 2020. We are almost halfway through the month. I'm Miss Christmas Harris, and here are your morning announcements. You know what today is, don't you? It is Knowledge Drop Thursday. And this is what I got to say, Spartans. Take a breath, make a list, and get to work. You've got this, Spartans. I get it. It can be a little daunting when you see all of those assignments drop at one time. But here's what I have to say. Make a plan and get to work. Don't just get stuck. You got to work your way out of it. And here's another thing that I want to say, and this is important on Knowledge Drop Thursday. Are you working 6 hours a day, plus maybe somewhere up to an hour's worth of homework? And that's just like 6 hours of dedicated work. Boom. If you are doing that and you're still not able to make a dent, you need to reach out to your teachers and let them know, okay? We have to understand what is going on with you in order to help you. That is really important. But back to Knowledge Drop Thursday. It is going to be a great day. You're going to learn a whole bunch of stuff, so get excited. It's Knowledge Drop Day. Reminders, your routine can help set you up for success. Those of you with routines, you're just checking things off and getting through and doing what you need to do. So every day, check your email. Do you have too many? Then here in a minute, I'm going to remind you that there's a place you can go to help you figure out how to do your notifications. Check your Class of Google Classroom. Do the daily check-in. Let us know how you're doing. Watch the morning announcements. Check your other Google Classrooms and watch your teacher videos. Get to work and go to all of your meets and stay the whole time. That's really important. Today is periods 1, 3, and 5. First period starts at 11:15, third period starts at 12:15, and fifth period starts at 1:15. I want to remind you guys that in your Google Classroom Class of calendar classroom, there is a link for student tech help. Now, you have to click on the link, and then once you get there, you've got to scroll through to find what you need in order to get your help, but that is available to you. Happy birthday today to Gabriel P. and Gretchen P. Don't forget, this week and next week, your yearbook staff is wanting to keep us together even though we're apart with pictures of you and your pets. Look at Finn getting ready to run class meetings and take over the world in Miss Christmas's office. I love it. Anyway, you either might have downloaded the Snap app to your phone, or you can upload pictures from your computer. That information is also in your Google Classroom Class of. So go check it out and help us stay together even though we're apart this year. Awesome. Now, if you guys need help, reach out to the office. We are going to get you going in the right direction. We want to be able to help you. So let us know what we need to know. Speaking of knowing things, this fact comes to us from the leadership class last week. I believe Marley gave us this fact, and it is about moonquakes. Did you know that the moon has quakes, so they would be called moonquakes? Also, fun fact, today is the Great American Shakeout. What does that mean? It means that everybody works on a plan for what would happen if they had an earthquake. Have you talked to your family? Do you guys have a plan for what would happen in an event of an earthquake? Stop, drop, cover, stand in a doorway, and make sure you take care of yourself. There's a little quake knowledge for you guys today. Yesterday in the class meetings, Miss Fox gave you the character dare for the week, and this week we are focusing on selflessness. And this is one of the things, and I think I mentioned in one of the class meetings yesterday, that I absolutely know helps make you feel better. If you're feeling a little down, if you're feeling a little just out of it, this is something you can do that I guarantee you will help you make yourself feel better. So here's the dare. Intentionally identify and reach out to someone who you know has been having a tough time emotionally. Let them know that you want to be someone they can check in with. Could you choose one of these strategies to share with them? Send a text, a call, a FaceTime, or a time to hop on a game together. See if you can find 3 different times to connect to let them know they don't have to deal with tough stuff alone. By being there for somebody else, you really are not only helping them, but helping yourself as well. It's true. It's science. I guarantee it. So let's end today with a quote. Here are your words of wisdom from Mahatma Gandhi. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Think about that. By being in the service of others, you wind up finding yourself because you are so busy helping other people. And this is the best time to do that. When you just don't even know which way is up anymore, do something. Go help somebody. It can be somebody in your family. It can be a friend. It can be a neighbor. But helping people out will help you feel better. Really, I promise you, it's the case. With something to think about, this is Miss Christmas Harris reminding you the choices you make today shape your world tomorrow. That's it for your morning announcements. Have a great Knowledge Drop Thursday. Get on it. You can make a difference. Go get them, Spartans.